to Truly Veg. Today I have some leftover dough and some veggies in my refrigerator, so I'm going to use it and make a very yummy dish, and which is very rich in fiber and antioxidant. It's called tacos. So let's start it. For this I have wholemeal flour dough, and some leftover flesh of aubergine. You can have veggies of your own choice like mushroom or potatoes as well. Now I have one finely chopped tomato, 1 cup spring onion finely chopped, grated ginger, some grated garlic, cream 1 tablespoon, grated cheese half cup, oil 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, salt as per taste. First, turn on the oven for preheat at 220 degrees. Now make a small ball of dough and roll to make a small flat bread, or you can say small tortillas or chapatis or rotis, and with the help of fork prick on both sides of the bread. Now brush some oil on both sides and hang on oven grill as shown in the video. Now bake it at 220 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes and check the crispiness as well. Now add tomatoes in a hot oil and add ginger and garlic and cook until tomatoes are little mashy. Now add aubergine or potato or mushroom, whatever you are using. Add black pepper and salt. Then add spring onion and mix it. Now add some cheese and leave the rest for later and mix it. Then add some cream and mix it again. Now turn off the heat and add remaining cheese. And again mix it. Look at the crispy texture of the tacos. Now fill the mixture in the tacos and enjoy the yummy and healthy meal. Do let us know how you like the recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.